I'm biased perhaps, but manufacturing is very, very important, I think, to our economy, our lives, prosperity, security and resilience. And I know many people are aware, but for those who are not fully aware, manufacturing is still a massive sector in the UK. Contributes more than £200 billion a year. 2.6 million people work in manufacturing, and almost half of the exports from the UK are manufactured goods. So it's very, very important. Strategy should be dynamic. To me, it's not just one thing you stick to all your life for years. I mean, it needs to be dynamic because the landscape changes all the time, and that's why one of the reasons why some strategies don't succeed, because it's designed for calm seas, and
seas are very rarely calm.
And I think a part of every strategy should be to take into account the challenges and changes out there, because your competitors will change, the landscape changes, and a successful strategy should be realistic and achievable, given everything that is happening and may happen along the way. In terms of trends, digitalization is a huge trend, and within that we can mention AI, robotics and automation, some huge trend, as well as environmental, so sustainability, net zero, that's a huge trend as well, and electrification. I see AI is a very powerful tool. Now, if you're good at using this tool, you can speed up your job, you can do a better job. If you can't use it, it's easier to hurt yourself. Yes, you can use your strategy, AI to help you with strategy. I've heard people just kind of using AI to give them a strategy, and as AI gets more powerful, I suppose that will be easier and better.